I think, Brandon Peterson, we were just singing his praises. That's a nice little ball over the top there.
It's the trickiest ball ever. He got to the ball first.
He
got to the ball first.
Let's have a look here. He takes man
the
ball.
He took the man.
He took
looks nervous. Listen, you could prove me wrong, but he looks nervous. Look at the distance as well.
Now, let's see what he can do. And he slots it away. That's it. Bonheur Mugisha gets his first in this season's Confederate.
They definitely have, and I think they were the architect of their performance in the second half. Played with some aggression. It was within reach, but he played it with power.
Yeah.
You know, if you look at how he dives, it's within reach, but it's more power on the ball, focused.
Brandon Peterson feigned as if he was going to the right, dive right, but then
Engineer Tegisi isuka nalo-ke emuva yabathwala Engineer Tegisi iloku ibadiliza nga-1 ey'tobhini zase-Egypt kashelwa kakoshulwenkane ugangile lapha-ke emuva yena-ke umuntu yarithemina paper 2 budofilakazi phalamaphalane ubona lapha-ke Engineer Tegisi yaphendula indoda Engineer Tegisi abaphendula usobi ungaze ufuka ukuthi-ke kunebraya egibhithe kanti lutho Engineer Tegisi iyalapha-ke 18 Yadlala TV Adlala Tuna Satellite amphelezela uDylan Solomons amphathela ikhwama ke lapha ke Ox eswini adlula lutho engaphakela ukudla ke manje lapha ke Al-Masri sibheka lapha ke Bradley Al-Masri phakathi eboxini eduo Sinda ngokulambisa iKaizer Chiefs esefikile Kingsley sibheka lapha ke ibhola leKaizer Chiefs ayikhona akange ngalo ke le bola uyalidla khona kick sele lapha ke mzuzu emine liphakathi ke box bazofuna amakhanda yemathola bekanga walibeka phakathi Mohamed Hashema bekanga ke muva